So Black Friday's here, and we thought we would give you a deal on some of the things that we sell on our website, including this new kit that we came up with in conjunction with GTechniq, one of the world's leading suppliers of wheel ceramic coating. And that's right, inside this box is everything you're gonna need to ceramic coat your wheels, prolong the life of the finish of your wheels, and to make sure that cleaning your wheels throughout the winter is that much easier. All right, so let's quickly go over what's inside this packaging. First, you get this really dope tin. That's right, it's a commemorative thing. You can go ahead and put your baseball cards in here, maybe your coin collection. I don't know, it's up to you, but you get it when it comes with this kit. Also, you'll see a bottle of panel wipe. Panel wipe is a prep. It allows you to make sure you get all the oil and grime off the wheel to allow the ceramic coating to properly adhere to that finish. The next thing you'll get is this beautiful applicator. Not one of those cheesy cloth applicators. This is a nice, silky smooth applicator to make sure that all your ceramic coat gets placed evenly and fluidly over the surface of the wheel. And under this, you're going to see two microfiber cloths. They are there for the application and the final wipe off of the product. Everything you need, one kit. And again, this ceramic coat is going to protect your wheel for up to a year, maybe even in excess if you really don't use your vehicle all that much. Remember, its use is going to be determined by how hard you use it, and its protecting properties are going to be there throughout. So now when we start talking about ceramic coat, this is going to be a 30 ml bottle. This is different than some of the other kits that are out there where you have a smaller bottle. The amount of product that's here, it should allow you to do most sets of wheels twice. And if you have one of those really large sets of wheels, well, we got you covered too. Don't forget to head over to our website. The link probably is below. You'll be able to find yourself a deal on one of these ceramic coating kits. And in addition to the ceramic coating kits, we have a lot of other accessories that we have for sale, hub rings, maybe even the surprise wheel or two. So head over to store.konigwheels.com. The sale ends on Monday. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving.